Hi guys! Welcome to the Pen Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing a home decor haul. And this is my first ever sit-down video here in the US, so I'm super excited and I'm still kind of figuring out kung saan ko ilalagay yung camera, but I'm facing the window, so hopefully the light is better since wala pa akong ring light or vanity lights. Since we moved from Philippines to here, we didn't really bring home decor or furniture since mahal siya pag pinadala dito. So instead, we bought some stuff here and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Not all of the furniture or not all of the things that are gonna be in my room will be shown in this video because I'll be doing a separate video for that. So watch out for that. So let's get started. So the first one that I'm gonna show you is this huge, well, not really huge. It's actually a small ottoman, as you can see. It's heavy, but I got this from Ross and it's only $25, so that's really affordable. And I'm going with white, gray, black, and hints of gold, and then wood, and some other colors, katulad yung bedsheet ko. Pero mostly ng mga gamit ko, or like big furniture ko, would be gray, black, or white. So dun naglalaro yung color ng room ko. So I got this ottoman and I'm super happy because I really love the color and it works as a chair and also a storage. And then the next one is this organizer. It's actually for my bed storage, but I'm not gonna show you my bed kahit kita nyo na siya because ayun nga, I'm saving it for another video. So I have two of these para ma-organize yung gamit sa under ng bed ko. And I got this from IKEA. And then, I got this cute panda na wooden. Actually, it's not really panda. Para siyang more of a bear, but it's still panda for me. But anyway, this is how it looks like. I got this from Daiso. Sobrang cute niya lang. And I put my earrings and then my ring here. And then I put it inside this organizer. And then I got this coaster from Daiso as well. So I've been using it already. And I'm probably gonna get more since my mom likes it as well. So this is how it looks like. It's very affordable. And then I also got this one. This is a gray mug. I believe you've seen this on my Instagram story as well. So whenever I drink coffee or tea, I just put it like this and it's super cute. It's very Instagrammable and it matches my room kahit hindi ko siya dinadala dito sa room ko since I just drink outside. The next one that I got is this table lamp from Target and I got this sa parang kids section nila, but I love it because it's color gray and super sensitive niya. Ayan o, pag hinahawakan mo lang, nagta-turn on na agad siya. But I'm planning on changing the light since, or the bulb since it's yellow and I want white. So the next one is this pillow and pillowcase. So I got both of these from IKEA. So the size of this is 50 by 50 cm and 23-inch ata yun. I'm not sure, basta it's 50 by 50 cm. And I got the lilac color because it really matches the gray, or it complements the gray color sa bedroom ko, and it matches my blanket as well. Dati pa to, I think from the Philippines pa to. But anyway, I got this, and I also got another pillowcase, but I'm gonna show it to you later. And then earlier, we went to IKEA again, and I got this pillow as well. This is a throw pillow, and then I'm not sure how do you call this because it doesn't say what's the name and the size. Okay, so here it is. It's called Harrods. I'm not sure. Ayan. And this is the size 40 by 65 centimeters. So I'm so happy that I got it kasi ang ganda ng color niya and it has a texture as well. And if you can see at the back, I have a body pillow right there. And it's actually my mom's. We got it from IKEA as well. Pero sabi ng dad ko, huwag na daw silang gumamit ng body pillow kasi magiging masikip yung bed nila. That's why it's with me. And I was really planning to get a body pillow as well. That's why I have that. But I'm planning to buy another pillowcase for that. So this is a yoga mat that I got from Marshalls, but this is actually Adidas. And it's actually only $16 ata. Basta it was pretty affordable than getting it sa regular Adidas store. So I got this from Marshalls and I love the color as well. The next one is this a trash bin or trash can from Ross. And I got this because it's gray, it matches my room, plus it has this gold accent that I am super loving. So, ayan. I got this for only $3.99. So, it's such a steal and ayun, ang ganda-ganda ng color niya. And the only thing that I got from Walmart is this pillowcase or bedsheet set. So, mayroon tong pillowcase, a fitted sheet, and then yung parang kumot na manipis. And I'm not gonna be able to show it to you kasi tinupi ko na siya kahapon and I don't want to open it anymore. So, it's the only thing I got from Walmart. Sorry if medyo magulo to, like halo-halo kung saan nanggaling. It's because collective haul na siya. Then, I also got this bath towels. So, this one is my body towel. I got 2 of these already. Yung isa ginagamit ko. And then I have 4 of these wash towels that I use for my face. So, ayan. Ang gusto ko dito, may hawakan siya. Or like, may sabitan pala, hindi hawakan. May sabitan siya whenever I'm in the bathroom and pag sinasampay ko dito sa room ko. Pati itong malaki may hawakan din. And then, I got another pillowcase for my throw pillow right there, yung color purple. So, this is the same size, the same texture, or the same tela, but different color as you can see. And then, I have another bed sheet set right here. I got this also from IKEA, but ang problem dito is medyo makapal siya. I feel like this would be perfect for colder days, mga siguro 1 month pa or 2 months pa bago ko ito magamit kasi yung texture niya, I don't know if you can tell, pero medyo makapal siya and medyo naghihimulmul siya eh. Dapat nga binalik ko na lang sana to kaso nalabhan na. But this is how it looks like. It's also a set and hindi ko siya matupi ng ayos kaya ganito siya. So the next one that I'm gonna show you, if i-flip ko na lang yung camera since it's so big and I can't carry it. So this is the chair. This is called the Tobias chair. And I'm super happy about it because it really matches my room. It has a silver hardware na bagay din naman sa gray. And then it has acrylic na chair and it's wide so it's gonna fit my hips kasi alam nyo naman, malaki yung hips ko and thighs. And the best thing about it, we found one na nasa clearance section ng IKEA. So, actually, nakuha ko na yung in-stock nila na ganyan, which is $79, almost $80. And then, when we went to the clearance section, we found it for only $55, $54. So, it was really a steal. And wala naman siyang problem. I feel like it's just their display, kaya nasa clearance section na siya. The pot is from IKEA, and then the plant is from Lowe's. I think it's called Lowe's. Basta katabi lang siya ng IKEA dito sa San Diego. But, hindi talaga ito yung pot nito kasi mali yung nabili ko. And then, I got these 2 plant pots from IKEA and this is called Fridful. Actually, wala na nakasulat dito kung magkano siya. But, I was supposed to put the citronella plant here kasi hindi pala siya kasha. So, I'll just be getting another plant soon. Actually, humihingi ako sa tita ko para dito ko na lang ilagay because it's really cute. So, ayun. Another one is this bottle from IKEA. Actually, gusto kong bilhin sana yung mayroong hawakan kaso display na lang yun nandun and hindi daw nila binibenta yung display. But anyway, it's still really pretty. And more bed sheets. This is actually a full or double bed sheet. And this is for my parents' bedroom kasi queen yung bed nila. Then I have this throw blanket. Actually, parang blanket talaga siya. Pero I'm just gonna use it to design my bed. And parang i-cover lang siya pag wala ako. And when I'm filming and stuff like that. Kasi, ay okay, bawal ko pala sabihin yun kasi hindi ko pa na gagawa ng room tour. But anyway, you will see that there once I use it. And I got this for only $7.99. So, it was super affordable and it's also gray. Kaya, kinuha ko na siya. And then, we got this placemats from IKEA. So, it's super nice. And we also got this. Actually, mas nauna namin tong kinuha. And then, nakita ng mom ko na maganda siya together. That's why we got this as well. So, we'll probably use this in the living room or the dining area. So, it's really nice. Actually, kahit nga sa bedroom, pwede din tong gamitin. And then, I got another plant pot. This is actually from Ross. And super ganda niya, guys. So, all of the items left here are all from Marshalls since we went there earlier after we went to IKEA. So, the first thing that I have here is this flower vase that is just clear, as you can see. And I'm gonna put this sa side ng room ko because there's this thing na parang electric siya or for emergency purposes siya, kaya hindi siya pwedeng tanggalin. So, I'm just gonna cover it with a flower vase para maganda naman yung itsura niya. I got this dried flowers. I was actually looking for this nang super tagal na. I kept looking online kung saan ako makakabili. Kasi diba sa Philippines, ang daling makabili ng dried flowers. But I got these from Marshalls. And then, we got these non-slip hangers again. And we got this in the gray color. Actually, ang daming beses na namin nakabili ng ganito since laging nagkukulang yung hanger namin. It's really nice since it's very affordable here sa Philippines. Sa Philippines. Sa US. Kasi sa Philippines, medyo mahal yung ganito. But here, I think it's only $10. Yeah, it's only $9.99. And then, we also got this ones. I'm not sure kung ano yung tawag dito. Basta parang siyang decor piece lang. Pero, my mom plans on putting here the spoon, forks. Ayan. So, kaya dalawa yung binili namin. It's really pretty. It's only $16.99. And then, I also got this. This is actually bedroom slipper or house slipper. And if you know me, alam niyo hindi ako nagsislipper sa loob ng bahay. But, sabi ni Mami, kailangan ko daw. So, I got this, and the reason that I got this is because it's memory foam. So, super lambot niya sa paa. So, hopefully, masuot ko siya. Kasi super pawisin ng paa ko. That's why I don't like wearing slippers. So, hopefully, the last ones are actually kitchen stuff. I got it from KitchenAid. So, I have this measuring cups and spoon in this pretty teal color. I love it. And then, I also got this can opener kasi color blue din siya. And then, ice cream scooper kasi color blue din siya. So, kaya ko siya binili kasi matchy siya. Minsan lang ako makahanap kasi ng matchy-matchy. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to comment down below yung mga video suggestions nyo. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button right beside it so that you will be notified every time that I post. And God bless and stay healthy.